Hey, welcome to my CuisineMaster Video Pack review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful content pack that gives you hundreds of viral cooking videos, image quotes, recipe ebooks, and DIY articles that you can use to drive traffic, grow your brand, or resell for 100% profit. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to create videos, write blog posts, or hire designers. Everything is done for you and ready to upload. Just plug in your details and start using or selling this content instantly. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best tools and strategies to make money online. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. And here's something special. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll only get through my link below. These are designed to help you make even more money with CuisineMaster, so make sure to check the description. So, what is CuisineMaster Video Pack? CuisineMaster is a done-for-you video and content bundle that gives you over 500 viral cooking videos, ready-made recipe ebooks, DIY recipe articles, a massive set of quote-style video and image posts for social media. It's perfect for food bloggers, content creators, affiliate marketers, agencies, or anyone who wants to build a content-based brand or resell valuable assets. And no, you don't need to record, edit, or create anything. It's 100% beginner-friendly and fully monetizable. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. CuisineMaster gives you the tools and assets, but your results will depend on how you use them. If you're serious, this can be a real shortcut to content income. Standout features that caught my eye: 500 plus viral cooking videos, ready to post, sell, or use in Reels, Shorts, or YouTube. DIY recipe ebooks, use them for lead magnets or sell them as PLR content. Recipe articles, post them on your blog, Medium, or newsletters. Video and image quotes, eye-catching content that's perfect for Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. How it works: super simple. 1. Download the content pack. 2. Customize it if you want: logo, watermark, CTA, etc. 3. Upload it to your favorite platforms or sell it to clients. You don't need any tech skills or complicated software. Just upload and go. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action. Upgrades, OTOs, what's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some optional upgrades. Here's what they include: front end, $14, commercial rights, use the content in your own business. Front end, $24, resell rights, resell the entire pack and keep 100% profits. OTO $1-$37, PLR license. Get more videos with unrestricted PLR rights. You can edit, rebrand, and resell without limits. OTO $2-$47, viral content pack. Unlock hundreds of video and image quotes to hook your audience and drive viral traffic from social media. Pick the one that matches your goals: content creation, reselling, or growing on social platforms. What I love about CuisineMaster: no content creation headaches. It's all ready to go. Great for beginners and pros alike. Flexible licensing options. Works for so many niches: food, health, weight loss, YouTube, ebooks, and more. What could be better? Let's keep it real. This isn't custom-created content for your brand, so if you want unique, ultra-personalized videos, you'll need to do some editing. But for most marketers, this pack offers more than enough value right out of the box. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking for a fast, affordable way to get high-quality content that actually pulls views and traffic, CuisineMaster Video Pack is a no-brainer. Whether you're looking to resell, grow your YouTube, or dominate Pinterest with food content, this pack gives you the content and the license to profit from it. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my CuisineMaster review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Drop a comment and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.